Hi dear students, today I am going to start 1.4, the sum of first n terms of an AP. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.4ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಪಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so students, here n is the number of terms. Okay, n is the number of terms in the AP. Okay, and a is the first term, d is common difference. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, this is the formula for sum of the first nth term of an AP. ಈ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು n by 2 ಇಂಟು ದಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 2a ಪ್ಲಸ್ n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೋಡಿ, ಎನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎ ಪಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಅಬೋವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್, if the first term and last term is given, then the above equation also be written as s is equals to n by 2 into the bracket a plus l. So student, here l is the last term. Okay, last term of the AP. Okay, ನೋಡಿ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಆವಾಗ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು n by 2 ಇಂಟು ದಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಂತ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಜನರಲೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ sum of the first n term of an AP. Okay, so first you take down the example. So students, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 11 ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 22 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ 8, 3, ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 22 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ದಿ ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಎ ಪಿ? ಎ ಪಿ ಈಸ್ 8, 3, -2. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ 8 plus 3 plus -2 plus if you go on addition, so what will be the value up to 22 terms? Okay, so this is the meaning of example number 11. Here the common difference d is -5. So students, you go on add all the numbers from, say, this is a first term, second term, third term, and up to you have 22 terms. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ -979 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8. ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ a2 minus a1, that is 3 minus 8 is 5. ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ? 5 ಬಂತು. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 22. ವಿ ನೋ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So s is equals to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d ಇದೆ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಎಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು, ಸೊ ಎನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 22 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇಂಟು ದಿ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 8 plus we have to calculate the 22 terms, so d is minus 5. So s is equals to, so 2 1 ja 2 11 ja ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ minus 5. ಸೊ s is equals to 11 16 plus 21 into minus 5 is minus 105. Minus 105. Okay. So s is equals to 11 16 minus 105 is minus 89. So s is equals to 11 into minus 89. Your answer is minus 979. So this is your answer. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 22 means we have to add all the numbers up to 22 terms. Now we are going to solve the exercise problems. Hi dear students, so today I am going to start exercise number 1.2, that is in the arithmetic progressions. ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ exercise number 1.3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್ಸ್ AP. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, we have to find the sum of the following APs. Okay, first problem. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? 2, 7, 12, dash 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 2 up to 10th term we have to find out the values. Okay, so find out the 2, 7, 12, up to sum of 10th term of in this AP. Okay, so first you write down the formula. Here the given data, a is equals to 2, d is equals to a2 minus a1, so d is equals to 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. This is the common difference. Now you know the formula for the sum of nth term of AP. The formula is s or Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for the find out the sum of an AP. Okay, so we have to find out the value of 10th terms. Okay, up to 10th term your n value is 10 divided by 2 into first term is 2 plus n is 10 minus 1, common difference is 5. Okay, so yes, 10 is equals to 10 divided by 2, this is 4 plus 9 into 5. Okay, yes, 10 is equals to 5 into 49 into the bracket. So student, 5 into 45 is S10 is equals to 245. So this is the answer for the 10th term of an AP. Sum of 10th term of an AP. Hi dear students, exercise number 1.3, second question. First main, second question, minus 37, 33, minus 29, dash 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 to 12th term. Okay, we have to find out the value of sum of 12th term of this AP. Okay, so here the first term is given, that is minus 37, and common difference is minus 33 minus into the bracket minus 37. So D is equals to 4. This is the common difference, this is the first term, and n is 12. So student, we know the formula. Sn is equals to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn and the 12. Okay, so 12 is equals to n is 12 divided by 2. So 2 into first term is minus 37 plus n is 12 minus 1, D is 4. So Sn is equals to 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. 37 into 2 is minus 74 plus 11 into 4. So S12 is equals to 6 into the bracket minus 74 plus 44. See students, 11 into 4 is 44. Now S12 is equals to 6 into the bracket minus 74 plus 44 is minus 30. So S12 is equals to minus 180. So this is your answer. In the 1.3 first question, first main third question is 0.6 comma 1.7 comma 2.8 dash. Find the first 100 term of this AP. Okay, here which is your first term? First term is 0.6. D is equals to common difference is 1.7 minus 0.6. So D is equals to 1.1. Okay, so this is the first term, this is common difference, we got the value. So n is 100. We know the formula. Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S 100th value, sum of 100 value. Okay, n is 100 divided by 2 into a is 0.6 plus n is 100 minus 1. S 100 is equals to 50 into the bracket 2 into 0.6 is 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. S 100 is equals to 50 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1 is 108.9. S 100 is equals to 50 into the bracket. See student, you add up the both the things. 1.2 plus 108.9 is 110.1. So you multiply this one, these two, what happens? S 100 is equals to 50 into 110.1 is 5505. So this is your answer. So student, here I will show the multiplication of point, that is 110.1 into 50. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 5 0 5 5 0 5 0 5 5. Okay, see student, here after the one digit you have a decimal point, so we have to, after the 0, after the first digit we have to write the decimal point, that will becomes here. Okay, so your number is, your answer is 5505. So this is your answer. Hi dear students, exercise number 1.3, first main, fourth question, 1 by 15, comma 1 by 12, comma 1 by 10 dash 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 to up to 11th term. Okay, we have to find out the sum of 11th term in this AP. So what is the given data is given? So solution, given data A is equals to first term is 1 by 5, common difference D is equals to second term, that is 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15, that is first term. Okay. So you take down the LCM. So if you take the LCM, and what happens? 3, 12, comma 15. So that will be 4, 5. Okay. So your 3 into 4 into 5 will be 60. So LCM is 60, and in the numerator side 12 5 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60. So this is the answer, 1 by 16 we will get the answer. So students, now we have to find out the value of sum of these arithmetic progression, that is up to 11. So your formula Sn is equals to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for the sum of n term of the AP. So is equals to n is 11 divided by 2, 2 into first term is 1 by 15 plus n is 11 minus 1, common difference is 1 by 16. So this is equals to n 11 is equals to 11 by 12 into 2 by 15 plus 10 into 1 by 16. S 11 is equals to 11 by 12 into the bracket 2 by 15. So this 0 cancel each other. So your answer is 1 by 6. So this is equals to 11 by 2. So here we have to find out the LCM. LCM is 15, comma 15, 6, 3 ja 15, 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja 6. So 3 into 5 into 2 is 3 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. So your LCM is 30. So LCM is 30. Already 2 is there. 15 2 ja 30 plus 6 5 is 30 is equals to 11 by 2 into, this is 4 plus 5. So student, 2 into 2 is 4 plus 5 divided by 30. So this is equals to 11 by 2 into the bracket 4 plus 5 is 9 by 30. So this is equals to, so student, this is the multiplication with this number. So we can easily simplify this one. So you multiply both the things. So 11 9 ja 99 divided by 60. Okay, if you divide this one, your answer is 33 divided by 20. So student, yes, 11 is equals to 33 divided by 12 will be the answer.